This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can move an image freely in Microsoft Word. Here I have a Microsoft Word document, and suppose I have this picture. When I put the picture in the document and try to move it, it just kind of stays where it is. And that is because Microsoft Word is treating the picture like a piece of text. If you want to be able to move the picture freely, what you can do is double click on the picture or go up here and click the picture format tab, then click wrap text. Now this is going to change how the picture interacts with the text, but this can also help you move the image anywhere you want on the page. So by default, the pictures are set to be in line with text, but if you want it to move freely across the page, then you want to select one of these. So I'm going to select square. Once I select square, notice that the image can move freely. Now again, if you have text in your document, you're going to have to play with these to get the kind of result that you want, but changing how your picture interacts with your text will allow you to move that picture freely. So this video shows you how to move pictures freely in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.